Chapter 4 Image Display. First two phases of image creation. In the first two phases of image creation, information is collected from the passage of X-ray photons through an object, converted into a usable format, and used to reconstruct densities in cross-sectional slices. Last phase, image display. Image display includes all of the system component necessary to convert the digital data created from the reconstruction process to electrical signal needed by CT display monitor. Display system include the ability to display patient information and scan protocol data and provide many graphic aids designed to assist in image interpretation. Display monitor's output device allows the information stored in computer memory to be displayed. Black and white or color monitor. The device used to display CT images is generally a black and white or color monitor. Display device cathode ray tube CRT, flat panel that is thin film transistor, liquid crystal display LCD. Monitor. The monitor consists of the display device circuitry to generate an image from electrical signals sent by the computer and an enclosure. CRT monitors. Standard television set with some modification that improve image resolution. Heavier, bulkier, hotter, less durable than the newer LCD monitors. LCD monitors produce higher luminance, higher spatial resolution. Although newer monitors that support digital input signal are growing in popularity outside the medicine, they are not currently included in CT system. Common misconception. All computer monitors are digital. Monitor used in CT work with analog signals. It is necessary to convert the digital signal from the computer memory back to an analog format by digital to analog converter DAC. Digital to analog converters DAC changes the digital signals from the computer memory back to an analog format so that the image can be displayed on the monitor. Displayed in grayscale standard cross-sectional images. Display in color non-image data test fields that include patient information or scan parameters. Camera. In some instances, the images are transferred to film. Camera, an output device that transfers the image from the monitor to the film. Multi-format camera. The camera used may be a multi-format camera. Transfer the image displayed on the monitor to film. CT system camera. CT system today include a laser camera. Laser camera bypass the image on the display monitor and transfer data directly from the computer bypassing the video system entirely, thereby significantly improving image quality. Film used in CT consists of a single emulsion that is sensitive to either the light emission spectrum of the video screen phosphor for multi-format camera or to the laser beam light. Window setting. The way an image is viewed on the computer monitor can be adjusted by changing the window width and window levels. At certain window setting, a slice of the thorax show the lungs parenchyma. At another setting, the same slice show mediastinal detail and no longer display the lung parenchyma. Many studies such as these of thorax require each image to be viewed at two or more different window settings. Technical explanation of window width and window level. A substantial factor is personal preference. Past technologists' responsibilities include producing hard copy film for the radiologist's interpretation. The subjective nature of window setting presented substantial challenges. Ideally, windows should be set so that the radiologist responsible for interpretation is satisfied. In practice, it was often impossible for a technologist to know which physicians would be responsible for interpreting any given examination. Common practice for each imaging dependent department to have established window setting for filming each type of examination. It was well worth the radiologist's time to work closely with technologists in developing filming protocols to ensure that all parties understood exactly how image is best displayed. Essential technologists allowed discretion in selecting window setting because factors such as patient size and body composition have a pronounced effect. Optimal image cannot be achieved with standardized window width and levels that do not consider influencing factors. Now, common practice for radiologists to view studies from a computer workstation, thereby allowing them the freedom to adjust the window setting as they prefer. Creation of hard copies is no longer standard procedure for every examination. It is no less important today that the technologists understand the impact of window setting. Technologists must appropriately view images as they are being created. In addition, there continue to be situations in which filmed images are still needed. Example, when a surgeon would like to refer to specific cross-sectional images during the course of an operation, old-fashioned polyester-based film is still the most practical method of viewing images. Screenshots the window be set correctly when images are saved onto a compact disc in a static format. Screenshots, because they capture the image exactly as is seen on the screen, do not allow for any further manipulation. Grayscale ideal, the image would be displayed with a different shade of gray for each Hounsfield unit represented. Hounsfield values, there are more than 2000 different Hounsfield values. The monitor can display only 256 shades of gray. Human eye can differentiate only a fraction of those shades, typically fewer than 40. As a general rule, the human eye cannot appreciate contrast difference of less than about 10%. CT scanners can easily demonstrate differences of less than 1%. Inherent limitation. To overcome these inherent limitations, a grayscale is used in image display system of display processor assigns a certain number of Hounsfield unit to each level of gray. Window width, the number of Hounsfield unit assigned to each level of gray is determined by the window width. Grayscale used to display CT images. Hounsfield scale, density of water 0, air -1000, dense material bone 1000.